Welcome to our channel. Okay guys, now we're gonna proceed to remove the front seats and all the tools that we're gonna be used for the Colorado, the 2024, is the Torx 50, our clip puller for the doors, and a flat screwdriver. That's all we're gonna need. And the recommendation, like always guys, is pull your seat all the way up and get your lean back in about 110 degrees, more or less, and deflate the lumbar support. Always deflate the lumbar support to make the installation more easy. Now let's move this one all the way back so we can reach the front bolts. And these are Torx 45. I'm sorry, Torx 50. And now guys, we're gonna be moving towards the rear.
Leave the package there. Have a good day, man.
Thank you. You wanna access this towards the rear door. And again guys, we're gonna have a Torx 50. Now guys, when we work in the truck to remove the seat, we want it to be almost even. If it's too long, a little bit to the forward. So this Colorado, when you go underneath, is gonna have two plugs under the carpet. So we have to peel it off like so you can expose. In this case it's only one, so we're gonna use our clip remover to release that section right there for the harness, like so. Now guys, right here with the yellow plug, let me see if I can get the camera down there. Yeah, right there. So we're gonna put the red tab out, and then we're gonna squeeze the yellow one, and that will be enough to release the plug. Let me try again, like that. So we have another tab holding the harness right here, and that was it. That is your harness. It's just pulling this out and squish it, and now you can remove the seat, get it out of the truck. So there is many ways to do this guys. Many people that have been doing this for a very long time doesn't know how to get a seat out of the car without scratching or ruining something. So let me see if I can demonstrate that to you guys. I'm gonna need some kind of support here so you can see how this is done. Okay, that will do. And this technique, like I say, you're gonna use for all the seats, is very simple, but a lot of people struggle. And that was it, guys. That's just it out. And I'm gonna be doing another video for the rear section of the seat. Okay, guys, to remove this rear seat from the Colorado, we're gonna have to pop all the guides for the headrest. They're basically these things, and you're just gonna pry right here with your clip remover. With this, you're gonna go here and you're gonna pry down so you can look at this window right here, and you can see this is the locking section. You just pop it up and it will release the guide. Now the only challenge here, guys, there is this cover right here in the third hole, and it has a 10 millimeter knot. We have to pop the cover, so be careful just to squeeze the sides. It has a little guide in the center. Just squeeze the side. This is the guide. Squeeze the center so you can pop it up, and you're gonna have a 10 millimeter knot down there. You release that one. Now here in the bottom, guys, you're gonna have, let me pop this up. You're gonna have this bracket right here, and right there is one in each side, one in the right, one in the left, and that's a bolt 13 millimeters. You need to remove that bolt. So once you have that bolt out and that nut over there and all the guides, then this one is just gonna pop off and you can take them off the vehicle. Let me take this out so you can see the next step. You're also gonna have the seat belt in the way, which is this one right here. So this is gonna be something like this, and you just have to pop the molding so you can get it off the seat or the back, lean back, just like that. Then it comes out. Okay, guys. Now, when it comes to the cushion, you're gonna have right here. You're gonna have to peel off this section so you can get this section of the cover off, and you're gonna have two Torx 45 right there, two on each side. That's how it's gonna work. Let me show you in the other side because I already get the little section off. So this is how it's gonna look once it's off. And this is the other section right there that I have to get those off. And that's how you get those cushions. Do not touch any of these brackets right here because these brackets are to stay right there. The main brackets, this one and this one right here. So you don't want to work with any of that. So yes, these two Torx 45 and two in the other side, and that will be your release. And then you have the seats off. This one is tricky. Just be careful when you pry these things out. You have to reach a little down. It's about 3/4 down. This is the top. So I'll say it's about an inch below the very top. So you have to reach and squish this down so that you can pop it out. So it's the same from the Chevy Silverado. It's just the small version right here. I think it's an overkill. It has so many of these holding it. In fact, I think, guys, this can be left in the frame. I removed them, but let's check something here. Because the way I see it is built into the frame. So basically, you won't have to take them off. So it's just that little 10 nut right here and the two bolts in the bottom, and it will release. Obviously, it's going to be more difficult if you don't take off the headrest. So it's going to be a good idea to take off the headrest. And in this case, I already have them out, but it's my belief that it's not required to do so. Just check. So This is the first Colorado that we touch, so we want you to know how we did it. So too, you can do this easily, a little more easily than what we did. So there you have it. Those are the technical tips. And guys, I'll continue in the next video. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the peeling of the whole upholstery so we can reinstall the new one. And I want you to realize that it seems a little complex. Once you get to it, if you are a little handy, you'll see how simple this is. We are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult, guys. And we want you to be able to do things easily.